Hi guys, this is Alvin Wang, and today I'm going to be doing a 50k Pro Pack opening. So, big shout out to JJ Chelsea today because he sponsored this video. He gave me some coins for me to make this video. So, big shout out to him. Go subscribe to him, JJ Chelsea. So, we're going to open some packs. Hopefully pull some of the new Team of the Week players. There's some good ones for week 15. 74 Monte Ball, first pack. Next pack. Oh, I didn't see who that was, but pretty sure that's gold. Third pack. Oh, get an 87 Football Outsiders Brandon Marshall. He doesn't go for too much though, but still a nice pull. Next pack. Oh, we get a 92 Elite Football Outsiders David DeCastro on the Steelers. That's a great pull there, guys. Elite. Wow. Next pack. 79 D'Angelo Hall. Next pack. 75 Zane Beatles. Final pack here. We get 78 Desmond Bishop. So we got that David DeCastro there. He has great stats, I think. So let's check his stats. Oops. And I'm going to be doing a team update video next, so look out for that. So he has decent stats here. He has, let's see, 70 speed, 94 strength, 73 agility, 77 acceleration, 82 awareness, 93 run block, 86 pass block, 89 impact block. So he has good stats. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and look out for my team update video next. Bye.